Hey guys, it's Anthony from LRA Auto Museum and Sales, and today we'll be checking out our 2021 Dodge Durango Hellcat. Alright, so right off the bat, this Durango is painted in Chrysler's famous F8 green. It's a gorgeous mix between a metallic green and sort of army green that gives it an aggressive look, especially when it's matched with the black and red stripes that go straight down the middle of the car. Another fantastic thing about the car too is these 20-inch Hellcat rims. They say SRT right on the center caps. They give it such an aggressive look. I think it's absolutely fantastic for the car. You know, this is a 710 horsepower SUV, so it has all the features of a fast, reliable, and safe SUV for everyday use. So the rear interior of this car has some amazing features. The first thing you can look at is the suede and leather black seats that are right in the back. They got the SRT logo embroidered on them. I think that's a fantastic touch. They got the armrest right here with really nice white stitching to complement that black leather. And my favorite feature back here as well is these flip up portable screens. You know, they can go down, you know, if you just want to relax in the back, or if you want to pick them right back up, you want to watch a movie, anything like that. You know, they can hook up to HDMI cords and auxiliary cables as well. You can even put an Xbox or a PlayStation back here, which I think is fantastic. You got your power plug right here as well, so you can power about anything you need. Heated seats, and you have a really nice third row that also has that suede and leather. So what's under the hood is what makes this car so special. This isn't your normal Durango. This is a Durango Hellcat. This comes with the Hellcat 6.2 liter supercharged V8 that produces 710 horsepower and over 640 foot-pounds of torque. This is the same engine that comes in the Hellcat Challenger, the Hellcat Charger, and the Trackhawk. You know, it's an absolutely fantastic motor. It's been tried and proven. This is an absolute beast, and it's so amazing that Dodge put it in an SUV, especially this size. Let's go take it for a ride. So the interior of this car is just as beautiful as the outside. When you look around, this interior is just wrapped in leather. The steering wheel right here, wrapped in this beautiful black leather with this white stitching. You got SRT written right across the steering wheel. You even have the SRT logo with the Hellcat symbol right there on the back of the suede and leather seat right here. And most important part is, we got our red key right here. Let's start her up and listen. It's not your typical SUV. Now, when looking at the interior of this car too, you have this massive 12-inch screen right here. You can control everything from here. It even has Amazon Alexa on here, AM radio, FM radio. You know, you can get Sirius XM. It has Apple CarPlay as well. You can connect it right here to your CarPlay. You got your GPS right here. But this is my favorite part right here. There's an SRT button right here. When you click that, it opens up the performance settings for the vehicle. So right here from the SRT dashboard, you can control, you know, the auto settings where it controls the transmission, paddle shifters, the all-wheel drive, stability control, suspension, and the steering. You can go from tow mode to snow, sport, and my favorite, track mode. Turns everything on to the maximum capabilities. You get all 710 horsepower, but as well, when you go back to the vehicle, you have your performance pages, your drive modes, and your race options. I think the race options is so cool, especially if you plan on drag racing this car. It's a great straight line car. You have active launch control where you can set what RPM you want to launch at, and it also has a shift light, so you can designate which gear you want it to shift at and where the light pops up for what RPM you're at. And then when going back to it as well, you know, we already looked at your drive mode. Here's another really cool feature. You got your performance pages. You know, usually on, you know, early 2000s supercharged cars and everything like that, there's a boost gauge somewhere. Well, here, it's right in your dashboard. You got your boost gauge, your air intake, air to fuel ratio, all the other important things. You have your timers. You know, you can even track your 60 foot, 330 foot, you know, your quarter mile, your eighth mile, 1,000 foot, all the proper things you need for drag racing. And you can also track your braking distances and, you know, your braking from a certain mile per hour. You got your G-forces here as well. You can check, you know, how much the front is experiencing, how much the rear, left or the right, vehicle dynamics as well. You know, when you turn the steering wheel, it tells you what steering angle it's at. So I think that's just a really cool feature, especially for a pretty large all-wheel drive SUV that you can use for about anything. You can tow a boat with this thing. You can pick your kids up from school, take them to soccer practice, do whatever you need to, and you still have an absolutely insane street car. And even too, with the gauges, another really cool thing is you can expand them right here. Brings it right up. Dyno and engine, same thing. You got everything right here. If you give it a little blip of the gas, it'll show everything pop up real quick. Same thing right here. Give it a little blip, and there it is. It's tracking it right here. You even have all the options to put these right here in the middle as well in a more simplified yet still effective manner, so it doesn't distract you while driving. And say if this big screen that has all these bells and whistles really distracts you, right here, there's just the screen off button. All right, enough talk about all the fun features. Let's take it for a ride. You can already hear that supercharger whining. That's the best part about the car. That's the best noise it makes. You know, that 6.2 liter sounds fantastic. The exhaust sounds amazing as well. It's got, you know, the Chrysler Sport exhaust on it, but that supercharger is the real icing on the cake. It's got the 8-speed torque flight in it, so it's got a proven transmission that's built to last and yet sacrifices no performance for that reliability. We're gonna do about less than quarter pedal right here. Just listen to this thing. It's amazing. This car you can have so much fun with without even getting on it. It sounds amazing. It has so much torque that at quarter pedal, it'll put you in your seat and you look down, you're not going above the speed limit. Now, if you really do want to go above the speed limit, just mash that pedal and I promise you, you'll get a speeding ticket or go to jail. But, you know, if you just want to have fun with it around town, you definitely can. It has a lot of usable power. All right, it's time to test out those paddle shifters. Instant shift. Such amazing response time from those paddles. And the whole time you still hear that supercharger whining. Another great feature too, like I said earlier, it's all-wheel drive, so you're not going to get any tire spin when launching off the line or even at, you know, 50, 60 mile per hour, just like the normal Hellcats. You know, they're rear-wheel drive, so when you're going at 70 miles per hour and you mash that pedal, you get tire spin. Not with this though. It is heavier and it also is all-wheel drive, so it just instantly will take off. It only has 837 miles as I'm driving it right now, so it's basically fresh off the lot. Somebody bought this, probably drove it, you know, a few times, hit that 800 mile mark and just kept it in their garage. Let's take a look at some of those performance gauges while we're driving as well. It's really impressive too how well this car handles, brakes, rides, all around. It's extremely comfortable, yet it doesn't sacrifice any performance. You can take turns relatively well for a large SUV. The braking is also phenomenal. It's not like they just slammed the motor in here and they were like, all right, here you go, just a normal Durango. You know, this does have the upgraded Brembo brakes, everything like that as well. The steering is phenomenal, so the car can definitely handle the power that it's given from the factory. Overall, it's just a beautifully designed car, and Dodge really did an amazing job with these. It's such a shame that they discontinued the V8, so this is one of your last opportunities to get an extremely low mile Durango Hellcat, especially from a trusted dealer. It's got heated steering wheel, it's got cooling seats, heated seats, so many different options for creature features. You have a built-in wireless phone charger right here. You have USB-C and standard USB plugs right here. It even has an aux cord, and here's one of my favorite things about it. What modern car still has a CD player? That's phenomenal. I love it. You know, I still have some old CDs from back in the day, and you know, I want to listen to them. I could listen to them in this thing. Can't say that in most other SUVs. Let's roll the windows down and really listen to that supercharger. driving it just smooth, easy, rides phenomenally, and you get gorgeous music from the car. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are interested in this vehicle, it is for sale at LRA Auto Museum and Sales. You can visit our website at www.lraautomuseumandsales.com, or you can give us a phone call at 215-781-3790. Thank you and have a great day.